What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura MDX key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 and 2020 and uses a CR2032 battery. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and one of these batteries that you can get on Amazon. Put a link down in the description if you want to get that. It's really cheap, just a couple bucks, and then you can follow along. Let's start by pulling on this lever on the front of the key fob. Hold it down just so we can release the internal key. You see this metal thing for the key ring there? We're going to insert our flathead screwdriver in between this and the little lip on the back of the key fob. So this is the front, here's the back, and right in there you can see a little space between them. I'll show you. Going to take our tool and put it in between right there, and you'll feel it kind of secure into place. Once you feel it between those two, you can gently twist, firmly, but gently twist just until you feel the slightest little pop. And that means we've created some separation on the side. Now, I want you to continue down that side, gently twisting, working your way down, twisting, until the two parts come free. And now we have our battery. So you can go ahead and use your flathead screwdriver or whatever you have and try to get under it from this side. Just gently again, get under it and pop it up like that. And you'll see it comes right out. Take a new CR2032, positive side with the battery info goes up, and you can slide it in before clicking the other half into place, and it should be secure and sit flush, and you're pretty much done. Just go ahead, click this back together, put your key back in, and you can see the light comes on and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you'd like a full guide on this key fob or any other Acura key fob, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.